Hi there and welcome to this quick tutorial on logging calls with RingDNA. After completing a call, RingDNA provides a simple, streamlined way to log important details. By filling out just a few key fields, you'll help leadership and marketing better understand lead quality, call outcomes, and campaign success, while keeping your own notes organized for future follow-up. When you complete a call, the first thing you'll notice is going to be a banner that's going to appear notifying you that you have not yet entered your call disposition. In order to enter your call disposition and your call notes, you'll need to open up the Calls Tool tab. To open up Call Tools, you'll select on the icon, and the first thing you'll see is the Ratings field. This is an optional field where you can select on the rating of your call, like how successful did a conversation feel. These ratings give you a quick insight into your best conversations. Next is the Disposition dropdown. Simply pick the option that best matches the outcome of your call, whether that's interested, not interested, or maybe a meeting was booked. Either way, it should let you know what was the outcome or the results of this call. Next up is Call Notes Templates. Here you can select from templates created by your own team. For example, templates with quick suggestions or step-by-step procedures to follow during the call. Or you can use this as a space to write down important call notes. Either way, it's a great way to make sure you captured important details without forgetting anything. If your team uses Salesforce Chatter and you select this option, anything you write in the Call Notes field will also be posted to Chatter on the record you called, instantly sharing the updates with your broader team. By clicking on Save, your notes will automatically be saved to the description field of the call activity in Salesforce. And combined with your disposition, they'll create a complete Salesforce activity record under the associated lead or contact. And that's it. By taking just a minute to complete these fields after each call, you'll make your team's data smarter, your follow-up stronger, and your customer engagement more effective. Thanks for watching.